Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting your body material and prepping it. Pick straight-grained softwood or 20 PVC for predictability. Once chosen, cut a blank 30 to 35 centimeters long and mark the center line. Make a perpendicular line for the mouthpiece area and measure fingerhole positions precisely. These determine pitch. You must drill a pilot hole through the bore to maintain alignment. Keep the work steady. Secure the blank in a clamp, because early precision controls tuning later. Now you form the windway and labium. This transforms airflow into sound. Route a 3 to 4 mm deep slot, about 6 to 8 mm wide, keeping walls parallel and smooth. Rough edges cause noise. Drill finger holes incrementally. Begin with 2 to 3 mm bits, then open to target sizes while testing pitch after each change. Carve the labium with a sharp chisel at roughly a 20-degree angle so the airstream splits cleanly. Test frequently and file. Small adjustments change tuning a lot. Finish the instrument by sanding the bore progressively and sealing wood with food-safe oil. PVC needs a light debur only. Assemble any plug or foot block and play a scale to identify sharp or flat notes. Tune by small hole enlargement or minute repositioning. Larger holes raise pitch, smaller lower it. If tone is airy or weak, inspect for leaks at joints and gaps, then re-smooth the windway and labium edge. If a note misbehaves, narrow diagnostics, hole size, windway shape, or slow leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.